English class. I'm going to introduce you about cow burps. So, climate change is caused by carbon dioxide, methane, and a lot of greenhouse gases. Cow burps. Why do cow burps have something in climate change? That is because more than 5% of emissions of greenhouse gases is from cow burps. Well, when the cow burp, methane comes out, and those methane is one of the most deadly greenhouse gases. And so, because of these cow burps, climate change is getting more and more dangerous. But we couldn't stop getting agriculture on cows because they are delicious. Then, is there a way? Well, first, we can give less food than we did in the past, but there is a more better way to stop cow burps with methane. That is using seaweed. Well, we can give seaweed in the food that cows ate, and when the cows eat it, bromoform in the seaweeds, it's a substance in the seaweed. Bromoform can stop methane from coming to be made in, the cow. And so the methane is lesser than the, cow burps in the past. So that is a way, to stop cow burps. But, even though we stop cow burps, to go to net zero, we need solutions like sponge cities and also stopping these cow burps. So we need more solutions and need everybody's help from the world. Okay, today I introduced you about cow burps, and next time we'll come with a different topic. Bye-bye, and see you next time.